Hi everyone, merhaba. I have an easy börek recipe for you. You can do it from scratch using only a very thin dough, cook it like a crepe. But first, I'm just outside of my home. Today is March 11, the day I share this video, and we have snowstorm in Istanbul. Right now it's -1 degree. This doesn't happen that much, so we wanted to go out with my daughter to have some coffee outside, enjoy the snow together. I wanted to make my opening here as I'm gonna share this video today. Let's begin. The recipe is good for 2-3 people. So I have 1 cup flour and 1 cup water. First I use 2/3 of it, adding half a teaspoon salt, sesame seeds, caraway seeds, and nigella seeds. The seeds are optional, but I wanted to give some texture, color, and also make it more nutritious. Just mix everything well and add the rest of the water. And we will rest the mixture to let it sit and combine everything together. Just cover and wait for 15 minutes. I had little bit left water. I'm adding the rest. So in total I added about 1 plus 1/4 of a cup to 1/2 cup of water. You can just check the consistency. It should be very thin and spreadable. I'm heating my crepe pan, oiling with some vegetable oil. It is hot right now. Just going to scoop good amount of the mixture. Let it spread all the way and cook until it begins to shrink and get out from the pan, as you can see, and turn it over. We don't want to cook that much because we're gonna cook it as a börek, so it should be like halfway cooked, not too very golden color. Just some brown spots, golden color spots will be enough. It takes about 1-2 minutes to cook. So in total I got about 5.5 sheets or crepes, you can say. I didn't want to waste it, just going to use it along with others. And we are ready to make our börek. I'm gonna shape it like a classic rolled börek, or in rose shape we call. And to make it longer, I place 2 sheets together. As a filling, I already had sauteed onion and ground beef mixture, which I added some tomato paste. So I use it for the recipe along with some kashar cheese. You can use any of the filling you have left. Some sauteed spinach would be nice, or feta cheese, Turkish white cheese, potato filling. Just roll it out. I thought it would be thick, so I cut the ends and use it to make my third pieces, since I have only 5.5 of the crepe sheets. and give it a shape and place it back to the medium size non-stick pan that you oiled a little bit. And do the same with the other pieces. Here are the last pieces. The ones I cut fit perfectly here, so I was able to do one more roll and place it along with the others. I'm gonna cook it on medium-low heat to get some nice golden color crust. The outside shape tends to open it by itself, so I place it to one side so it can stay like this in round shape. Of course it doesn't affect the taste, but still I wanted to make it look nice. If you need, you can drizzle some more olive oil or butter, would be even more delicious. And to turn it over, I use this flat lid I have. You can simply use a plate and continue to cook both sides until they are golden in color and crunchy. So here it is, my friends. It was even better than I expected. Really delicious. We finished with my husband in no time and he really liked it too. Normally he's skeptical. Neydi ya? About this kind of recipes, like kind of made up fake, but he really liked it. So give it a try and share your comments. Stick with me. I have some news I'm gonna share on the channel before Ramadan begins, hopefully next week, and see you soon. Bye.